voted yes, but with a heavy heart, because I have tried several times with extreme patience helping the son of our former colleague, Congressman P.D. Barzaga. Because as a mother, as a member of this august body, I felt before that there was hope in making him understand that disorderly behavior and conduct has no place in governance. However, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, his repeated wanton disrespect of facts, disrespect to the institution, and his habitual lies, fake news, and fantasy to keep on producing distorted facts has led to confusion and chaos, something that the Filipino people does not deserve. Parliamentary procedures and behavior has to be observed. And mind you, Madam Speaker, it is not contained in the committee report. But during his suspension, yours truly, despite the extreme understanding that I have exercised for Congressman Kiko, the newly suspended Kiko Barzaga, I, myself, has been a victim of his fantasy and habitual lies and disregard of facts and truth. Just very recently, the good vice mayor of the municipality of Dueñas, who is a very good friend of Congressman Ferj Biron, died due to accidental firing. I do not know her that much. I haven't had the opportunity to be with her and to work with her. But I empathize with the pain that the family has to suffer. But that pain was aggravated when Kiko Barzaga delivered a speech in a podium and made a circus out of the death of former Vice Mayor Maasyan. Makatarungan bang paglaruan natin ang hinanakit ng isang pamilya? Makatarungan bang gamitin natin ang ating posisyon para gawing laro ang pagmanipula ng isip ng ating mga kababayan? Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it pains me that in fact, it's not even extension of suspension because his acts is already tantamount to expulsion. Ang totoo niyan, marami lang sa atin ang naaawa sa kanya at marami ang naririnig kong nagsasabing, nakakahiya. But Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, hindi hiya ang nararamdaman ko. Ang nararamdaman ko ay awa. Bilang isang doktor, bilang isang nanay, naiintindihan ko that there might be personal circumstances surrounding the events that are eventually unfolding. It's time for Kiko Barzaga to reflect and deeply look into personal matters while he is on suspension. Nakakaawa, hindi lamang siya, dahil ang stress ng paggobyerno ay dapat siniseryoso, pero mas nakakaawa ang kanyang distrito na kailangan ng representante. With that, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, with the indulgence of our colleague, the Honorable Kiko Barzaga, he would understand that our action is because we are a Filipino and our government deserves the service that we have to generate and deliver. Thank you.